What's this? Motherfucker. Yeah. It's slipping down. So the other one. Good. Oops. Here is one. See? It's fucking rusty. Here is the other one. It's just a little piece. So see, this one was separately came off. And this one, we are fucked. Bullshit. Spark plugs, it was already removed, and I inspect here everything. You need to know this was a little clocking noise, clicking, click, 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 click when it's idling, but on you get the RPM, it's gone. So I just inspect on this one, the camshaft, and you see this one's fine, but the number 8 cylinder, see? Here, we are fucked. There's no oil here. This one, you see, because everything, you know, here, it says, this is good, this is good. It's okay, it's enough, it's okay. It's okay, we just say it's okay, but this is, it's not okay. So we need to take it off on everything. You see, that's freaking moving. See how it's moving? This one is good, but here is something very freaking wrong. Very freaking wrong. It's broken. Or this. How I can see. Here's the shit. This is not good. The lifter, it's probably fucked up. So we replaced that one too. See. This don't happen because you didn't want to change the oil. Oil pressure, it's gone. Oh shit. I'll show you after this. So always the oil pressure. This one is came from because you never pay attention. But on an engine, actually didn't was oil leak. So I never understand why you guys are so hard to change the oil on time. So see, The camshaft, the bearings, it's not really good. It's not really good. It's actually shit, guys. So, see, this was bad. This was bad. This. It's a bad lifter. We need to replace. This is stuck. It's stuck. It's not spinning. See the other one? Other one actually is spinning. This one, it's nothing. Garbage. And here is a lifter. Here. The lifter needs to be replaced too. And I don't know, probably we replaced the camshaft too. The bearings there. I don't know, let's see. Inspect more a little bit and what we find. Just listening. So you can fix this. You take this on a special place. I show you how. It's very simple. Here you can fix it on this. Done. Oh. Where's the thing I look up, Pastor? Such amazing. So, valve cover is off. Back in.